The noise made Teaser jump. Doing!
Here, look at that. Quick, follow me, Firecat.
The fallen moon was stuck in the roof of an old deserted farm barn. Teaser climbed up, and pushing as hard as he could, he tried to move it. M-O-V-E, move!
Oh, Stoner Crow, it's rolling away.
Oh, it was rolling away, all right, boy. And fast it rolled, fast moon it finds upon the purple river.
Who's he? Here, quick, this stick will do the trick, said Teaser, hanging over the bridge.
Ooh! The clumsy Firecat slipped and fell flat on the moon. Oh! Ow! And slowly floated away towards the dangerous water's end. Ooh!
What luck, it's stuck. Hand me your paw and I'll pull you up.
He had spoken too soon. The moon went drifting deep into the night.
As I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands, lose my plow, lose my land, oh, if I ever lose my hands, oh, I won't have to work no more. And if I ever lose my eyes, if my colors all run dry, yes, if I ever lose my eyes, oh, I won't have to cry no more. Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my legs, I won't moan and I won't beg. Oh, if I ever lose my legs, oh, I won't have to walk no more. And if I ever lose my mouth, all my teeth, north and south, yes, if I ever lose my mouth, oh, I won't have to talk. Did it take long to find me? I asked the faithful light. Oh, did it take long to find me? And are you gonna stay the night? I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow.
Moon finally descended upon a prickle red tree. Then out came 5 red owls, and Teaser told the tale to them. Ooh, wit, wit, wit. The owls picked up the moon with their beaks and flung it far into the starry sky. Teaser and Firecat said, goodbye, goodbye.
Shadow,